BBC Namakkal. We have started the recording now, and ma'am will take over now. Janvi ma'am, have you introduced Swati ma'am?
No, sir. I was just going to. So
Yeah. Just give us 1 minute. We will introduce ma'am as everyone is new on this group, so we will take 2 minutes for introduction, and then ma'am will start.
yes. Hello everyone. Let me go on and introduce Swati Narang ma'am. So Dr. Swati, she is the hello. I'm sorry.
Uh,
Can you please mute yourself, or let me just mute everyone. Just a minute. Yeah. So, as I was saying, Dr. Swati Narang has completed her PhD in software reliability from Amity Institute of Information Technology. She also did her master's and bachelor's in computer applications, and she has done many projects in statistics and software reliability from SMU and University of Delhi, respectively. Right. So, she has also participated in several international conferences and presented several papers in international journals and co-authored a few books as well. Right. Swati ma'am, on to you. Please go ahead. Please start with the session now.
Thank you, ma'am, for such a lovely introduction. Welcome all schools and kids. We are going to start with web development today. Like last time, it was an interesting session. Every one of you enjoyed it. Did everyone enjoy it? We can communicate through chat. Okay, I have some answers. Yes. So, there were some students who joined in new, and and some who actually were trying different apps. Did you find any difficulty while creating the app? Any one of you? Did you find any difficulty in creating any of the app? No. Okay. So everyone, and any questions, anything in Thankables. Okay. Erode is saying we are new. Others, Vihan is saying no, ma'am, we are clear. Namakal also saying the same thing. So everyone was clear. Anything which you want to ask about the last session, you can ask me right now. Otherwise, we can start with this new session in which we are going to learn HTML and CSS. So shall I start? Or any queries are there from the last session? Kids, I request you to please answer. Any queries? Okay, then we'll start with this new session in which we do not need anything but a notepad and a notepad of not like the notepad in which we can write, something in which we can type, the notepad on computers or any rich text format document. And along with that, we need one web browser so that I can tell you how to create websites here. So let's learn more about web development now. So let's move to the first thing. What is HTML? HTML is one of the most basic language in which we do all the uh, web developments, but it is not that secure like it should be, because websites have to be secure. This is what we talked about last in the last session, that the security is compromised as soon as the programming is easy. The two things are proportional to each other. When the programming is easy and very easily understandable and very easy to develop, in that case, the program the you can say the websites are not that secure. But if we increase the security point, then in that case the programming also becomes more and more complex. So as we are going to start with web development now, we are now very much clear about it. So what we can do, we can start with HTML, which is the most basic language. HTML's full form is Hypertext Markup Language. So it's a lingua franca for publishing hypertext on World Wide Web. What is it actually used for? To make a web page like which can be published all over the world using World Wide Web. And in this, you can see text, audio, video, GIFs, different kinds of multimedia options. This HTML allows us to insert those options onto my computer, onto my web page. So let's start with the tags. What are tags? The things which are written in less than and greater than symbol, they are called tags. There are some specific tags which are defined for HTML. We follow those tags and create a program if using these tags, and then if the program is published onto the web browser, and after that the web page is created. Later we can just publicize this web page to make it available for all the people in the world. So let's move to the next thing, allow to embed other scripting languages. HTML doesn't use only its own language. It allows other external sheets like JavaScript, cascading style sheets to be embedded into it. Am I clear? Clear to everybody? Give me a thumbs up so that I can see you guys are actually listening. Yes, this way. Okay. Nice. So let's move to the next thing. It's not platform dependent. If you have written an HTML program onto one platform, it's not important that you have to use the same platform in other, you can say, in other web computer, so that it can, because it's not platform dependent. Suppose I have created this web page onto Windows XP, I can use it in Windows 11 also. I can use in some other platform also. So anywhere I can do that. So let's move to the next thing. What is next? It's an example of an HTML code. What we are going to do, we are going to understand this code carefully. Everybody, you can write this code along with me onto your copy, or if you have the notepad with you, you can write it onto the notepad. Please. Not the notepad of page and paper one. I'm talking about the computer notepad. Like this. I'll show you how. Can you see this? Can you see the screen? Kids, are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, perfect. So let's move ahead. Now, see, this is an HTML code. Am I clear? This is an HTML code. So every HTML code starts with slash HTML, like this sign of HTML. Can you see this? From here, any HTML code starts. This has every tag. These are called the tags. I told you in the beginning, these are called tags. Every tag has a closing tag too. This is an opening tag. Now they have a closing tag too. Can you see this closing tag? If we do a mistake, like in some of the programming languages like Python or other like C++, these all languages actually gives you a compiler in which you can check if you have made any error or not. But in HTML, there's no compiler. Directly web browser will display the results. But if we want the results to be correct, so what we normally do, we normally uh, like open tag and close tag together, because in that the mistakes are not shown. When the output is wrong, then only we get to know that there is some mistake in the programming. Otherwise, we'll not even get to know that there is some mistake in the programming. It will not show us that you have so and so mistakes. So let's see. I've opened up HTML and I have a habit to close HTML along with. जैसे ही खोला उसी टाइम मैं बंद भी कर देती हूँ HTML को. Then I opened up head, I closed it along. Then I opened up title, I closed it along with. Can you see that? Everyone, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you doing it with me? Are you doing it with me in your computers? Who all are sitting on computers? Can I hear from you? Are you doing it with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after opening up the HTML tag, I will close it. I'll do it with you. Rather than showing you this, what I can do, I'll do it with you. First is HTML this way, and then I'll close it along with. मैं इसे साथ साथ ही close कर देती हूँ. I'll close this along with, so that I don't make a mistake. Coming to the next thing, every HTML program has a head and then the body. Whatever is done in the body would be shown on the HTML, will be shown on the web page, and the one which is written in head will be shown on the top of the screen where the title bar is there. So after this, you'll write head and then close that also. I hope I'm clear. Till here, am I clear? Once head is closed, then only you can start with the body and close the body also. And then in title, just to differentiate, we can just leave space in between and we can just move to a little towards right. We can move our cursor by using tab, and then first HTML program. Can you see this? Now I'll close this. What has to be closed now? What I opened up, which I have to close? Which tag I have to close now? Which tag do I have to close now?
Title. Title.
Perfectly said. Title. Let's close the title now. So I'll close the title now. Now coming to body. Whatever I'll write here, that would be visible onto the web page. See, HTML program. Till here, am I clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll save this file, save. Where would I save? On desktop. HTML shouldn't be the name, whatever. First web page. This is your first web page. .html. This would be the name of my program. Here, From text documents, I'll be choosing all files. Are you done till here? Everyone, are you done till here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm giving you time. Do it fast with me. Slash title, yes. What's the question? I can't see.
சார் வேணாண்டா எங்கட மினிமைஸ் பண்ணல
Done, ma'am.
Done? Done by everybody? Shall I move next? Shall I move next? Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, I'm waiting. करो करो आराम से करो. I hope I'm clear. अब हो गया? Can I move to the next part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I can increase the font size for sure, beta. Wait. Is it increased now? Is it increased now?
They will take this photo and they will.
Can I move further now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's move to the next thing. Now I'm stopping sharing this screen and I'm going to share. Now, wherever you saved, kindly go to that folder. Wherever you saved, kindly go to that folder. Something like this is visible to you. Can you see my screen? Something like this is visible to you. Something like this is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone did that? Now, let's just style it more. This is not the program which we want only. So, let's just style it. So this is how it was HTML program. This is how it must be showing you also. It's not coming. Why? Kindly share your screen if it's not coming. What's coming? Did you save the program in the name .html without any space? Did you save the program by writing .html without any space? Like this, file, save as. From here, not text documents, it should be all files and first page .html. It's already saved with the same name, so it'll ask me, do you want to replace it? Yes. Yes, kids. Is it visible? Okay, there are some things in the chat box. Wait. Okay, the one from Viraka Noor. They are not able to do it yet. So, Janvi ma'am, can you please let them share the screen? You got the output? Very nice. Will you
Uh,
please let them share the screen?
yes, ma'am. Let me just go ahead and check. Yes, now everyone can share the screen.
So people from Viraganur can actually share the screen and show me what the problem they are facing. Okay, title slash head body/body. Have you left space of L and the greater than? Okay, we have got the answer. The right answer is there. The one who is not getting the answer, kindly share the screen. Kids, those who are not getting the answer, please share your screen. Kids, can you please respond? The ones who are not getting the output, you have got the output. Teachers, can you please respond back? Either in the chat box or by unmuting yourself.
Uh,
Okay, then we'll take it further because I'm not getting any response from them.
yeah.
Let's see when they would be responding. Maybe they're still doing it.
Yes, we can.
Okay, so let's just move further. Yes, till here everyone got it. Now what we are going to do? We are going to put some color into it. What till now I was telling you that the things which are written in smaller than and greater than signs, they are called tags. What are they called? What are they called?
Tag.
Yes, tags. Now we are going to add some attributes onto these tags or use some different tags also to actually modify my web page. This is a very simple web page we started with, and now we can actually move further into it by putting in some attributes. Suppose I am going to put some background color to my page. Give me an example of it. Maybe red or yellow or pink. Any example. I'll take the color whichever name comes first in the chat box. I'll take that child's color. Red. Okay, I got the first name as red only. So let's come with red. We'll put a double quotation mark, then red, and then second double quotation mark. And this way, the color would be changed. Let's see how you can save it and then go back to the page. Can you see the background is red now?
No, ma'am.
No, you will not be able to see. Wait, I'll show you. See. You'll go back and just refresh the page and see. Can you see that now?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, can you see that now? Okay. We can shift to yellow also. If we have number of some, you can say a sky code of some color, so you can even use that color using that sky code also. So let's come back to after body background color. We can even add some picture to it. How? We can add picture to not to the whole page. Ahref is equal to, now what we are going to do, everyone have a look. We are going to download a picture, HTML pic, go to images. We can just use this picture, save image as, after saving it, I'll go back to downloads. I'll go to downloads. I'll pick downloads from here. I'll go to this image. I'll go to show more options to it and then properties. This is the name of, or you can say the location of this image. And again, I'll go to my web page. Here I'll write the location to this image, and now name of the image is images.jpeg. And now I can put even IMG here. This way I can save it. I'm saving the same thing. I'll go back to that web page once again and I'll see. This image is here. The same image we copied. Can you see that? But I want the HTML program to come on the next page. So one more tag here, HR, that will make a line. If I write BR, that will give me space. Like suppose I'm pressing enter key. The same way BR works. But if I am putting a line in between, horizontal line in between, then HR. So let's see HR's use also and BR's use also. So let's go back. Now we'll refresh this. And now HR has created this line in between. Can you see this white line? You can use this program to do that. Is it clear to everybody? Is it clear to everybody?
Is it clear, everyone? Can anyone please respond?
You inserted the image. Can you show? I can stop sharing. You can show. Okay. I am someone sharing the screen. You can share your screen. How to what, beta, Rohit?
No, malare.
Oh, wow. Nice. You can take it to the next line also by putting HR or BR tag. Rohit is trying to ask something. You can ask me, beta. Anyone else want to show? Sure, I can show the code. Wait. Here's the code. You can take a screenshot of it if you want. You can take a picture of this code. Is it clear till here? Kids, I'm waiting for your response.
Ma'am,
Yes,
my
please.
friend Rohit is not getting the color, ma'am.
Can I see the code if you don't mind? Can you share the screen?
1 second, ma'am.
One minute, ma'am is sharing.
Sure, sure. I'm waiting. Others, have you tried it? Oh, perfectly done. Both the campus people have done it. Okay, ma'am, not this one. I want to see the code actually. I cannot guess it. What's the mistake at the back? Please share the code. Monish, can you please share the code with me so that I can see what mistake you have done there? Okay, body.
Ma'am, this is Rohit's code, ma'am.
Okay, baby. See, it's not COLOUR, it's COLOR, color. Because in American language, color is written as COLOR. Kindly save this and then try it out. Now, can you see? Very nice, Avantika. Now, is it there?
Ma'am, it seems Rohit is not getting the code.
I'm sorry. Rohit's code was wrong, na? So I think he must have changed it. The word color spelling was wrong in it. Perfect. Very
Ma'am,
nice.
it seems he changed it, but he is not getting it.
Can you show the code to me if it's possible, please?
1 second, ma'am.
Very nice, Avantika. So the answer to this is not coming right. Have you saved it? Can you show me? Can you save it in front of me? Just press File, then Save.
Ma'am, we should remove the double quote, ma'am.
You just press File. See carefully, have you written the right name and everything? Because there's no mistake now.
It has to be single quote. You can't give double coding.
No problem. Even if you write coding, doesn't matter. There's no mistake in that. The code is the one which is written within the smaller less than and greater than bracket. Other than that, whatever you write should come. Rohit, can you share your screen if you don't mind? Rather than sharing a particular window, please share whole of your screen. Very nice. Yes, Rohit is sharing the screen now. Rohit, can you? Yeah, very nice. Please share this. Now file, save, save as. Just press out of text documents. Press all files. Now Rohit pv.html. Write down .html at the back without any space. .html. And now save. Yes, you want to replace it. Now kindly go to that page. And now just refresh it. Just, there's something in it. We can just open it up from the desktop if you don't mind. Can you please minimize this? Minimize this. We'll go back to desktop. Yeah. And then open this page. Just move it for, yeah, this one. Just open it up. Now, can you see the color is there? Is it clear now? You're most welcome. Very good. This PC, the person with the name PC, the problem in this is you have not like this JPG file. Can you see pc.jpg? In that, after desktop, you have to put the right path. The path is not right. The slash, this one. I'll just annotate it. Wait a second. See, the place where it's written IMG SRC is equal to. Can you see that, beta? Very good. Very good, Velammal International. Yes, the one with PC screen, there's something written. Is it working now? So let's move to the next part. This was word where we have inserted the image. Now, what else we can do with it? We can change the font's color also. How to do that? Everybody's eyes here. I'm sharing my program, first page of HTML. Here I have. So what I can do, I can change the font color also and font style also. So here I would put the tag font and then style is equal to maybe Comic Sans. MS. Then color is equal to maybe yellow because we have red at the back. So no space. Between these two things we have space, but between these two, the this colon and the next double mark, we don't have any space. Am I clear? So after this, I'll close this font also after writing my words. Font. We can even make it bold by writing B in front of it and closing it here. We can make it underlined also by putting U in front of it and then closing it. Then save this file. And then I'll come back to the web page which can you see my screen? Please write in chat box if you can see my screen. Can you see my screen? Everybody, yes, okay. So let's see. It's bold. The color is also changed. And now what we can do, we can increase the size also. Size is equal to maybe 45. Then align. We can align it to the center. Center. We can align the image also to the center. How to do that? See, we can align the image also to the center. Spelling is wrong. Center. Let's see. Now if it works, we'll save it and then we can. But the line one is not working. So that means there's some mistake in my writing. Maybe center has RE in it. This way. Let's see. No, it's not working still. So there's some mistake with this, maybe. Sometimes some of the web browsers do not support this even. So after doing this, what we can do, this whole thing which we are writing for one program, what exactly we normally prefer? We normally prefer to write this whole styling in one of the external sheet and then incorporate that style sheet onto my computer. How to do that? I'll show you this. Did you understand what I'm trying to say? Did you understand what I'm trying to say? What's the use of HR tag? The HR tag is for horizontal line beta. Yeah, I can show you the code. But did you understand till now? Did you understand? Can I move to the next thing now? Till now, did you understand? Oh, nice. Very nicely done. Avantika, you can just put this HTML program down and like make the size of your image the same it is. Even.
Ma'am, can you please show the code?
Sure, wait a second.
Okay.
You can take a screenshot of it even if you want. This is the code. Clear to everybody? Can I move further?
Ma'am, can you hold it in for some time?
I'm sorry? Didn't hear you, beta. Can you please be a bit louder? Shall I wait for some time? Okay, I'm waiting. Alignment is not coming in, even in my one. Maybe there's some mistake. Wait a second. I'll just check why alignment is not coming. Give me a minute. The spelling is also right. Maybe I have given this space. That's why it was not coming. In my web browser also, alignment is not coming. There is some issue with alignment in my web browser also. Otherwise, alignment also works the same way the other things are working. So now the next tag which we are going to learn. Yeah, I've written. Okay, you're saying it's CENTER if I do it this way. Let's see. I did it center also at that point of time. Still, it's not coming. See, I'll share whole of my screen. That would be better. It's not coming. Even after writing center, it's not coming. See, I've written CENTER and I've saved this file. And see, it's not coming here. So till here, is it clear? Can I move to the next tags now? The next tags, can I move? Can I move to the next tags, teachers? Okay, so let's move to the next tag. What is the next tag is all about? The next tag we are going to put headings. There are 6 different kinds of headings which HTML provides us, H1 till H6, H1, H2, H3, H4. H1 is the highest one, so I'll be using the highest one, H1, and then I'll write. Yes, there's something in the chat box. Any question? But the code is still visible. If you see it carefully, the code is still visible to you. I'm showing the code. I'm not removing the code. I'm just adding on something to the code. That's the heading tag. So H1, the first heading, the highest, the biggest heading. How can we write it? Suppose my program or my web page. This we can give as heading. My web page. You can write your name, Swati's web page, like I'm writing here. You can write your name, whatever your name is, and then close this. Then only it will work, otherwise it will not. Slash H1, that means we're closing it, and here we have. We'll just save this file, and then we'll go back to the screen where it was shown. And now see, Swati's web page is here. This is the highest heading. I hope it's clear. We can give it here also. See, it will not tell me my mistake. This is the problem with this HTML is. It's not like any other programming language. Web page programming language doesn't tell us mistakes. We'll have to search for the mistake on our own. See, when we put this alignment in the body, align center, then only everything is in the center now. Can you see that now? Align tag is also working now. This was the code which we used. And suppose I want to write a paragraph on HTML here. So what will I do? I'll write P. P is the paragraph tag. Suppose HTML is anything, is a scripting language, is a markup language, which is used to create simple web pages. And then we can just close this paragraph here and save it. We'll go back to the web page. And if I don't want the size to be same here, what I can do, I can just close this font before here, and I can create another font tag and then style it with maybe Times New Roman. And then size is equal to maybe 30, and color is equal to blue. We can just close this font later on. Here it is closed. So we have written one HTML program. Then see which all tags we have used. We have used this attribute of BG color. Then we have aligned it in the center. Third thing, we have given a heading, H1. Then we have given an image onto my page, IMG. Then a font tag in which we have lots of attributes. And then another one, we have closed this font tag here. Can you see that? Close this font tag here. Then we have used again the font tag to give different kind of color to my web page, web page paragraph. And now here we don't want the alignment to be the same, so we can even change the alignment again, but we're not doing it right now. We're just showing you how it comes out right now. So I didn't save it, so that's why it's not getting refreshed. So I'll go to file and then save it. And then you can see in the web page, everything is clear. Size did not change. So we can go back and change the size. Size is equal to 45. Here the size did not change. If I reduce the size to maybe 10, let's see. We'll go back to the page. Size is still not changing because maybe I didn't save it. We'll have to go save as, again save it in the same name. Sometimes what happens that the result is not coming well. So we'll have to save it again this way. And now we'll go back to our page and see the result. Still the size hasn't changed. The size of it hasn't changed. So here there's some problem with size. What? Where it's not working well. Sometimes some of the like just now you saw a line was not working before and then a line started working. Sometimes this happens with us. We have done a small mistake which is not very much visible to us, so we have this tendency. Now till here, is it clear? This was whole about web page development. You can even, there are several tags, like thousands of tags of HTML available. These are some of the important tags which I have covered. One tag I wanted to cover in which I can actually go to some other page. Suppose I want to put a tag, a search bar here. So what I can do, I can just write to know further switch to, now here I would be giving the tag of a href is equal to google.com, and now I'll write Google here. Sorry for the wrong spelling. Now I'll be putting this /a here and save it. We'll go back to our web page. Switch to Google. Now, can you see? I can switch to Google from here. If I put the proper address of Google, I would be able to switch to Google from here. But to get to Google, I need to have the proper address of Google. Suppose I'm writing this. I can copy this. I can go back to that page. And write the same address here, which I copied from there. And file and then save. And now I can go back to my web page and go back here. First HTML program, and then we can click here and Google is here. Can you see that? I inserted a web page onto my page. I've given, please show the code. Definitely I'll show the code, beta. Here, code. Here is the code. And suppose I want, I create another page of this kind. Suppose I'm creating another page. You can take a picture of this. Beta, you can take a picture of this so that I can show you one more thing. How to connect two pages. I'm showing you this. Please take a picture of it. Did you take? Did you take? Please take a picture. Now I'm showing you another program, which is a very small program, maybe Hello World program, HTML, then closing the HTML. Again, head, then closing the head. Right. Title. And then closing, and then second page of the website. Then again, slash title. Now, I'll create another body tag, body, then slash body. Here in the second program, I'll write second program, second page where you can find more info. So let's see. We'll create this page, file, save as the same place. Let's not put all the things on desktop. Let's just create a new folder for us. My website. My website. And then we can just give the name second page dot html. And from here I can select all files and save this in it. Now we'll go back to first web page. On the desktop, it was there. The first web page. We will cut this from here. We'll go back to my website and paste it here. This is the first web page. Then coming to the second page. Here is the second page. We'll cut this from here and we'll go to my website and paste it here. So first web page is here. We would insert a link on the first web page. It will not open up like this now. How will we open it up now? We'll go to my website. We'll right click on this. We'll write open with and then go to notepad. Here, to know further, you can go to Google and then BR, which gives a break. That means like an enter button. And now we'll write the second page of my website. Here I'll give the reference to my second page. Ahref is equal to, now see, how would I give reference to my second page? I'll go to my second page. I didn't open up my second page yet. I'll open up from here. I've opened up. This is my second page. I'll copy this. See carefully. I'll copy this and then I'll go back to my code and paste it here. And now close this. And now the second page of my website, I'll write click here to navigate. And then we'll close this. /A. This way we can just save this and see our web page once again. We'll be clicking once again on it. This is first HTML web page. We'll click it. Click here to navigate. We would be clicking here and we'll be coming to second page like this. And now if I write something on my second page, I'll go back to my second page. I'll right click on it, open it with Notepad. I'll write here to go back to home page. To go back to home page. Now I'll go to first web page of mine. I'll copy this from here. This is wrong. I'll open it up again by going to my website. Go to first web page. Now I'll copy this full address from here. Go to second web page, home page, and then ahref is equal to pasting my thing and then close it, then home, and then /a. File, save. With this, we can go back to our web pages. See carefully. This is my website. This was the thing which I saved. I'll go to first web page. It has a way to go to second web page and second web page has a way to go back to first web page. Are you getting my point? From here, we can go and do the navigation also. Is it clear to everybody? You can't see which page, beta. Isn't my screen visible? Please respond. Isn't my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Please respond.
It was visible, now it's not. I think they are.
Okay.
It's visible now.
Okay. Thank you. So now I have created a link. Can you share the second page code, ma'am? Yes, sure. I'm sharing both the pages code. One is this. Sorry. This is the second page code. I'll go back to my website and then open up the first page code. What will I do? Open with Notepad only. This is the first web page code. These are the codes of different web pages. Sorry. Now, if you want, you can take a screenshot of it, or you can write onto your work. See, this path will not be same for you and me. It would be different for every person, this path. Because you would be writing web pages there, na? What I have to do again, which you didn't understand, beta? Please explain. I can show you whatever you want. I can show you again. From creating second page. Okay. See, what I did, I created the second page just like the first page. Then I created, see, what I did, I went to my for this desktop and I created this website and I created this folder named my website. Here I saved both the web pages, or even if I'm making three web pages, four web pages, whichever web pages I'm making, I'm saving it in them. And now if I click on this is the address. What I do Control A and Control C on this address. And then I go to the code of my web page of second web page, where I use this code AHREF to go back to home page. What I wrote to go back to home page, you can use this. So click here to navigate. Here to go back to home page, what I wrote that this first web page should come. As soon as the person presses for go back to home page, the home is being pressed. Whatever is there in this link, which we copied just now from from the web page, from there I copy it and paste it here so that they both gets linked to each other. Am I clear to you? Am I clear, Vita? You can unmute yourself and talk to me if you didn't understand anything. Vita, you can unmute yourself and talk to me if you didn't understand.
Everyone got it? Can you please respond?
Yes, ma'am.
Teachers, can you respond on your kids' behalf if they're doing it? Thank you. Yes, Vita. Yeah, sure, I'm waiting. Sure, you can write the code quickly, or you can take a picture of it even. But you can get codes online also. But main thing is that you should understand what's happening. If you didn't understand anything, you can ask me. See, codes you can get online. Lots of codes are there online. Sure, sure, I'm waiting. Okay, okay. Yes, Vita. Yes, Danish. Thank you. So, this was how we can actually create our websites. So, we'll move further. We'll be ending this now. Some of the CSS things we can do on some other day if we want, but till now, I made, I hope I was clear. You can even add CSS to it. The way we did coloring, we can do it using this also by the link sheets. And we need to actually take care of the security of these web pages. And can we change the title size? But the title comes inside the, you can say web page, web browser only. The web browsers, if you open up the web browser, whatever the title you have written would be coming on the top of that title bar only. Can you see that? So if you can't change the size of the address bar like this, na, of a web browser, we need to change the settings of web browser for that. So let's just learn a little bit more about cookies. What are cookies? Whenever a website we are opening up, the cookies are the ones which actually get saved, some information which gets saved onto our computer. When you accept all cookies, at that point of time, that website is trying to save something onto your computer. So cookies are simply bits of software placed onto your computer when you browse through the websites. Web ISO use cookie implementation to keep track of users. But yes, the security is like you can say your computer's information is given to cookie, you're giving space to cookie. If it has virus, in that case, your phone or your device or your laptop gets, you can say, full of this virus. So yes, this is Kerberos. You can actually try it out. It's used to a ticket to authenticate a particular website. This is in this you can go for the authentication of your websites. When you will be creating the websites, when you will be taking some domain name, after that this Kerberos comes. This is developed by MIT for the safety of your websites. So thank you. My my whole seminar ends here. There are three responses to the piece of design, whatever web design you have thought. It's either yes, you can create that design, no, you can't, and wow. And you should always aim for this wow, that everyone who sees your website says, wow, what is website? That kind of design you should actually go further with. So okay, I have Vivi Pioneer who is actually showing their work. Yes, please. Is there something wrong in it? You didn't close this IMG SRC. You didn't close this. Align is equal to center. This one. Okay, I have someone. Very nice. Manish, very good. Did you create the link? Okay. So anything which you think you can ask, or maybe in the next when we have the next seminar, we can give some time to this of for your doubts on 4th of August. By then you can just practice all the codes, and you can even practice more codes by searching online, and then we can just talk about this. We can take your doubts further. Does that work? Does that work, kids?
Teachers, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Okay, then take care. See you on Monday then.
Thank you so much, Swati ma'am. It was a very
Thanks a
insightful
lot.
session. Thank you so much for your guidance.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, all teachers. Thank you, all students.
So we can leave the meeting now,
Yes, yes, yes. Sure,
and you can stop the recording in that case.
sure, sure.